Good day everyone! For our presentation, we have selected Setel, which is a digital mobility platform developed by Petronas as part of its digital transformation initiative. Setel was introduced in 2018 with the aim of providing customers a seamless and cashless refueling experience. Over the years, it has evolved beyond a full payment application into a comprehensive mobility platform that integrates multiple services such as Mesra rewards, retail purchases, parking, and EV charging. The platform reflects Petronas' strategy to embrace digitalization and enhance customer experience through a more convenient and efficient ecosystem. One of the main features offered by Setel is mobile fuel payment, which enables customers to pay directly through their smartphones without having to visit the counter. The process begins by opening the Setel application, locating the nearest Petronas station, selecting the pump number, entering the full amount, and making payment digitally, finally starting the refueling processes. This work processes has chosen because it demonstrates how digital technologies can transform traditional and manual processes into a more efficient, convenient, and customer-centric service. Next, we evaluate Setel using hinge approach, starting with horizon scanning, which focuses on evaluating the external environment and identifying emerging trends. Firstly, the digital payment industry is experiencing rapid growth due to increasing smartphone penetration and internet accessibility. Nowadays, consumers are more comfortable using e-wallets and mobile payments applications for their daily transactions. In addition, the demand for convenience and contactless services has significantly increased. Consumers expect services that are faster, easier, and accessible anytime through their mobile device. These trends encourage businesses to accelerate their digital transformation efforts to remain competitive. When analyzing what is happening on the horizon, we can observe that mobile-based payment systems and digital ecosystems are continuously expanding. Customer behavior is changing, where people increasingly rely on smartphones to perform various activities including banking, shopping, and fuel purchasing. This work process was selected because the traditional fuel purchasing method is inefficient. Customers have to park their vehicles, walk to the counter, wait in line for the payment, and then return to their vehicles. During peak hour, this process becomes even more time-consuming and creates congestions at the service stations. Therefore, Petronas introduced Setel to digitalize the fuel purchasing process. The rationale behind this initiative is to improve efficiency, enhance customer experience, promote cashless transactions, and support the company's digital transformation strategy. Ultimately, this creates value for both customer and Petronas itself. The next stage is internal audit, which focuses on assessing the internal capabilities and resources that support the work processes. Several systems are integrated to ensure the effectiveness of Setel. These include the Setel mobile application, digital payment gateway, fuel pump integration system, Mesra reward system, and customer database management system. These components work together to provide a seamless digital experience for customers. To support this system, Petronas requires various skill sets. These include mobile application development, system integration, cybersecurity management, data analytics, and technical support capabilities. Such expertise is essential to ensure system reliability, security, and continuous improvement. In terms of performance, the current process is functioning effectively. Customers can complete transactions without visiting the counter, resulting in faster and more convenient services. The integration with Mesra rewards also improves customer engagement, while reduced congestion contributes to a better overall experience. However, there are still areas that require improvement. For example, application performance may be affected during peak periods due to high user traffic. Customer may also mistakenly select the wrong PAM number, leading to transaction issues. Furthermore, the effectiveness of Setel depends heavily on internet connectivity and timely technical support. Regarding responsibility, multiple departments are involved in managing the work process. These include the Petronas Digital Division, Setel Development Team, IT Support Team, Cybersecurity Specialists, Payment Service Providers, and Station Operator. Overall, approximately 30 to 50 personnel from different functional areas collaborate to ensure the system operates efficiently and securely.
Now we move to new model generations. Setel has successfully digitized fuel payments by allowing users to pay for fuel directly from their smartphones. Our proposed improvement is AI Smart Mobility Assistant, which Setel can introduce an AI-powered features that analyzes users' driving and spending patterns to provide personalized recommendations. So the first one is analyze the user's fuel consumption pattern, which Setel can use customer transaction data to understand their fuel consumption habits. For example, if a customer usually refuels every 6 days, the system can identify this pattern and use it to provide personalized services. And the second one is predict when users are likely to need fuel, which means using predictive analytics, Setel can estimate when a customer will need to refuel again. This allows the app to anticipate customer needs instead of waiting for the customer to take action. And the third one is send reminders before fuel levels become low. So instead of customer realizing at the last minute that they need fuel, Setel can send timely reminders. This helps users plan ahead and reduces the risk of running out of fuel unexpectedly. And fourth, allow users to subscribe to a monthly fuel budget. Users can set a monthly fuel budget such as 200 ringgit or 300 ringgit. The app tracks spending and helps manage fuel expenses. Customer can choose a monthly fuel budget that suits their financial situation. The system will monitor their spending and provide updates, helping them manage fuel costs more effectively. And the fifth one is send notifications of automatic payment upon arrival at a Petronas. Means when a customer arrives at a Petronas station, Setel automatically detects their location and prepares the payment processing. The customer only needs to confirm the transaction, reducing the number of steps required to purchase fuel while maintaining security and user control. Now we move to a new proposed workflow for the new models. The first one is enroll in AI-powered Smart Mobility Assistant. Means user enrolls in the Smart Auto Fuel feature and sets a monthly fuel budget. And the second one is system analyzes fuel usage patterns. Means the system analyzes previous fuel transactions to understand the user's fuel consumption patterns. The third one is receive fuel reminder notification. Means Setel predicts when the user may need fuel and sends a reminder notification. And the fourth one is arrive at Petronas and pump is detected automatically when the user arrives at the Petronas stations. Setel automatically detects the location and suggests the pump number. And the fifth one is a confirm payment with one tap. Means the user confirms the transaction using one tap or biometric verification, and payment is processed according to the present budget. And the last one, start refueling immediately. Refueling begins immediately and the transaction is automatically recorded in the app. Now we move to gap analysis, which we analyze the current state of the Setel versus the future state of Setel, which we have proposed the AI smart mobility. So first is the current state. Data is mainly used to record fuel transaction and rewards, but for future state, data will be analyzed to predict fuel needs and provide personalized recommendations. And the second one is for current state, customers manually decide when to refuel, but for future state, customers receive automated reminders and budgeting assistance. And for the third one, current state, employee mainly focus on app maintenance and customer support, but for future state, employees need skills in data analytics, AI, and digital innovation. So the question is, does the system or workflow facilitate work effectiveness? The answer is yes. The current Setel system improves work effectiveness by reducing cash transaction, speeding up the fuel payment process, providing digital receipts and transaction records. And for the proposed AI-powered smart mobility assistant system, it further improves effectiveness by reducing manual steps and providing proactive reminders and helping customers manage fuel expenses more efficiently. So who really benefits from digital transformation? The first one is customers. They can have faster and more convenient refilling. They will have better fuel budget management, and they will have personalized promotions and rewards. And the second one is Setel or Petronas themselves. They can increase customer loyalty, higher customer retention, and have better internalizations of customer data. And the third one is employees. More efficient operations, and they can have more opportunities to develop digital and analytical skills. So are there any weaknesses in the work process? Yes. In the current process, the weaknesses are a user must manually open the app and complete several steps before refilling. And then no predictive assistance for fuel purchases, and then limited personalizations, and customer data is not fully utilized. And for future challenges, it will requires investment in AI and analytics technologies, and there will be raises data privacy and security concerns, and some users may be uncomfortable with automated recommendation. In conclusion, Setel is a strong and practical example of digital transformation in Malaysia. Through the hinge approach, we analyze the external environment, evaluate internal systems, and propose innovative improvements, and identify the gap between the current and future states of the system. Overall, Setel successfully converts traditional petrol station workflows into a modern, efficient, and digital process. With continuous innovation and further digital improvements, Setel has the potential to become one of Malaysia's most complete national mobility platforms. That's all from us. Thank you.